Sustainability is at the core of everything we do, and the biggest shining light for us is the reduction in landfill. We see ourselves as a recycling company, and the only reason that we're dealing with residual waste is because that residual waste is put in a black bin or has been put wrongly in a blue bin. So our focus is always to recycle as much as possible, and we have to deal with the residual after, so that has to go to a waste energy plant. And we are currently trying to develop more sustainable solutions, and those sustainable solutions are taking the residual waste from just a refuse derived fuel to a solid recovered fuel, which is a higher specification. That higher specification will allow us to replace coal, which in lots of countries across the world don't have replacement fuels for coal. So we are aiming to be that replacement, and so we feel doing that is a far better carbon reduction than actually just going straight to a waste energy plant. So on the long term, that's where we see our business meeting that sustainability requirement. We have 3 different products and 3 different tests we're doing with Queen's University. We're doing one on paper, which is coming quite close to completion. We would see that as being a shining light and something that we're dealing with on our own doorstep and not having to export. Then also we're looking at plastic products and glass products, which are further down in the chain and having to go through the process. But by the time we get to the far side, we're confident some of those products will come, that we'll be able to make a usable product from the waste in Northern Ireland and create that bigger multiplication of jobs through a recycled product rather than just burning it in a waste energy plant. So that's where we see our long term, and the industry has a lot of opportunity in creating a lot of jobs, just like the business we have built at the moment. Then 300 jobs weren't there in 2004, they're there now. We see that multiplying significantly in the next 5-10 years. Our aim is on the long term is to remove that from the residual element and make it recyclable. That is our long term, and that is the biggest win we can do in the carbon world.